How does a red cheek albino give birth? A red cheek albino does not give live birth. Like other albino mutations, it reproduces by laying eggs. During the breeding season, the male and female first mate. After mating, the female lays her eggs in a safe and suitable nesting area. The female red cheek albino usually lays several eggs over a few days. Once egg laying is complete, the incubation period begins. During this time, the female sits on the eggs to keep them warm, while the male supports her by feeding her and protecting the area. When the incubation period ends, the eggs hatch and the chicks are born. Newly hatched chicks are very delicate and depend entirely on their parents for warmth and food. Albino chicks have light-colored feathers and eyes due to the lack of pigmentation. For a healthy breeding and hatching process, a calm environment, proper nutrition, and a stress-free living space are essential.